This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off your sleep timer on your LG TV. So just press settings, and it's going to be listed on the left side of the screen. So here's the sleep timer right here. We can just adjust this, and we can move it to one of these different categories. So we got 10 minutes on here. You can see the sleep timer is activated, and it's going to start counting down. So that's at 9 minutes and 54 seconds. And I think we have like different time locks and stuff. Maybe this is more like a parental control. So you can set this up too. And you got to enter in the password. I'm not sure what the password is. It could just be a default one where it's like 000 or something like that. So it looks like 000. And then we can enable this. And then we can time lock specific things too. But just look at the sleep timer on the left. Once we have that set up, the timer will come down.